Next step is to see how your application is in an Android device. To do so, the first step is to install the Android Studio. You can download the latest version of Android Studio as per your platform. I'm downloading for Windows 64-bit. This might take some time depending on internet speed. While this downloads, the other dependencies are to install the JDK and JRE. So let me download JDK. Also, I'll install JRE. Start installing these files once you have them downloaded. Once you have successfully installed Java, let's add these paths into the system variables. Once that is done, you can also install Android Studio. While installing Android Studio, make sure AVD Android Virtual Device is enabled, which will help you to create emulators if you don't have a real device to emulate your Android application features. We have installed all the required softwares and packages for our application to run on an Android device. Now we'll come to Visual Studio Code and our terminal to add packages or add platforms for Android or mobile application. So to do so, first of all, let's go to our app directory. Then we'll write a command to add a platform within our project. That is npx cap add and then the platform name. So right now we are doing for Android. If you notice, initially we don't have a folder for Android or platforms here. But after running this command, we'll have a platform called Android where we can see all the Android related files. Okay, so when you run this, you will see an error which says folder www.not found. What this means is, if you notice, we don't have a folder called www. So when you add a platform, the capacitor, it takes the files from www, encapsulates them into a JavaScript version, and creates a native application for you. Since we don't have a www folder yet, we are not able to add a platform to it. To create a www folder and have the relevant files in it, run command ionic build. Once this command executes successfully, you will see a folder www in your project directory. And once you have that, you can then add your platforms, Android, iOS, or Windows. Now that we have executed Ionic build, in your Visual Studio Code or in your directory, you can see a new folder for www, which has all the JavaScript files and all the asset files which we have generated as part of this project. So now since we have this, let's go back to the command prompt or the terminal and add platform Android to it. This will install all the dependencies, any codeover plugin or capacitor plugin used, any native platform or dependencies, and make a copy of them into a native platform folder. Now that we have Android added as a platform, if we go to directory or the Visual Studio Code and see, there will be a new folder for Android. So this is the Android folder. You can see all the required plugins and everything is here. Now to run this Android, you can use this command npx cap open Android. This will open up the Android Studio for you, and from there you can directly build your application to an emulator, to a device, or anything. For this demo purpose, we will not use the emulator, we will run our application directly into a mobile device. So while the Android Studio loads the project, let us set up the mobile device as well. On your Android device, go to settings, about phone, and your MIUI version. Just tap on it, and after a few steps, you will see you are now a developer. Once you have enabled the developer mode, you'll see in your additional settings that you have the developer mode option enabled. Now, for an application to run via USB or something, you need to enable USB debugging. Now, once you have that enabled, you will be able to run your Android applications from your Android to your mobile device directly via USB. Also, on your developer options, you will see there's an option that says install via USB. You should enable it so that you can install your application. Once that is done, you'll go to Android Studio where the project is already loaded. At the top, you will see the list of available devices for you. You can have your virtual emulator or your real device. As we discussed, we'll use a real device in this one and just save run. This will compile the app and install it on your mobile device. As you can see on your phone device, the application has been launched. So we are able to successfully run your application